Imagine this. You go to sleep at night, and by the time you wake up, you've got a new product researched, a blog post written, an email ready to send, social media scheduled, and maybe even your first sale. Sounds impossible, right? Well, thanks to OpenAI's newest update, ChatGPT Agents, this isn't the future. It's right now. This video is going to change how you see work forever, because today, I'll show you exactly how these new ChatGPT agents can literally build and run businesses on autopilot while you sleep, chill, or focus on bigger things. And I'll prove it with real examples, use cases, and even a step-by-step setup that you can start using today. Let's go. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel where we explore the latest in AI tools, automation, and digital freedom. And let me just say, what I'm about to show you today is one of the biggest leaps we've seen since ChatGPT itself launched. This is not just another plugin. This is not a cool prompt. We're talking about full-blown AI agents, little digital workers that you can design, assign, and deploy to get things done for you 24/7. OpenAI recently introduced a feature that lets you create custom ChatGPT agents. Think of them like super smart digital employees. You give them goals, you give them tools, and they just go to work. They don't sleep, they don't complain, they don't ask for a raise, and they never miss a deadline. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around. Because by the end of this video, not only will you understand how these AI agents work, you'll have everything you need to start building your own money-making AI system from scratch. Let's dive in. Let's break it down real simple. A ChatGPT agent is like a smart assistant that does more than just answer your questions. You can train it to do actual tasks. Let's say you run a small online business. Maybe you sell Notion templates, or you run a newsletter, or you're trying to grow a TikTok channel. Normally, you'd have to research trending topics, write a blog or script, design a thumbnail, schedule the post, send an email, track analytics. Now imagine assigning all that to an AI agent. You tell it, every morning, check trending AI tools, write a short summary, post it on Twitter, and add it to my newsletter draft. Boom, it does that every day. No reminders, no follow-ups, no burnout. And here's the wild part. The agent can actually use tools now. It can plug into APIs, update Notion docs, email people, scrape websites, browse the web, all safely and responsibly. It's like hiring a digital worker with a full tool belt. And guess what? It costs way less than hiring a human assistant. This is not just about productivity. It's about building real businesses with almost zero overhead. Let me give you a few crazy but simple examples. Example 1, newsletter business. Say you want to run a weekly AI newsletter. You can build an AI agent that finds trending AI tools online, summarizes each one in a few lines, drafts your newsletter in MailChimp, even schedules it for sending. This alone could save 10+ hours per week. And if you monetize that newsletter with affiliate links or a paid subscription, that's real income generated while you sleep. Example 2, digital product store. Let's say you sell Canva templates or Notion docs. You could build an agent that searches Reddit and Twitter daily for what people are struggling with, recommends new product ideas, creates product descriptions, uploads them to Gumroad or Etsy, writes a product launch tweet or Instagram post. Again, almost the entire business workflow automated. Example 3, YouTube channel automation. Now, if you're like me and run a YouTube channel, imagine this. An AI agent that scans your comments and suggests new content ideas, researches the latest viral trends, writes your video script in your tone, creates thumbnail concepts, prepares your video description, tags, and title. You still have to record the video for now, but almost everything else is handled. And if you're using AI voiceovers and stock footage, then you could go 100% automated. I'm not saying you should do that, but you could. Let's look at how this works in action. Let's say I want to create a micro business, like an AI Trends Digest. Step 1, head over to ChatGPT Pro Plan. Click on the Explore GPTs tab and create a new custom GPT. Step 2, give it a role and a goal. I want you to be my AI Trends agent. Every day, research the top 3 trending AI tools or news stories, summarize them in 100 words each, and add them to a Google Doc. And step 3, add tools. You can let the agent browse the web, call APIs, access files, and more. Step 4, connect actions. Using Zapier or Make, you can have it. Post summaries to Twitter, email the doc to your subscribers, update a blog post, push content into Notion. Step 5, test and tweak. Once it works, schedule it, set it to run daily, and you're done. Now think about this. That small setup just built you a content system that runs on its own, and you can monetize that newsletter with affiliate links, paid sponsorships, or premium tiers. That's a business. The reason this is so powerful isn't because it's flashy. It's because it's freeing. We're not talking about just making life easier. We're talking about completely removing the bottlenecks that stop people from starting things. Most people don't launch their business or their side hustle because they don't have time, they don't have skills, they get overwhelmed. Now imagine removing all of that. Don't know how to write? The AI agent does. Hate managing schedules? Let the agent do it. Can't afford a VA or assistant? This is 10x cheaper. This is like giving everyone in the world their own personal team. A team that works 24/7, doesn't need training, and learns instantly. And that's why this changes everything. Let me be honest with you. If you're a content creator, a digital product seller, a freelancer, a coach, or consultant, or even a student, you need to be experimenting with ChatGPT agents. Why? Because early adopters always win. This is the kind of shift where the people who understand it early get ahead fast. People are already building AI-powered newsletters, courses, ebooks, social media pages, affiliate blogs, like you name it. And the best part, you don't have to be technical. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to build a startup. You just need to know your goal and what parts can be automated. Let the agent do the rest. Let me throw some fast ideas your way. 1. AI-powered affiliate blog. Let the agent research and write articles, review products, and post updates. 2. Digital product empire. Have the agent generate product ideas, create content, write listings, and send email blasts. 3. Client outreach machine. Build an agent that finds leads, sends cold emails, and books calls on your behalf. 4. Auto creator for social media. Build an agent that turns YouTube videos into quotes, posts, carousels, and hashtags. 5. Newsletter as a service. Offer a paid newsletter powered by your own ChatGPT agent and make it run itself. These are real businesses, and the only thing standing between you and them is a setup that takes maybe 1 hour. After that, the agent goes to work while you sleep. All right, here's the simple checklist to start building your own agent-powered business. A ChatGPT Pro subscription. A basic idea of your goal. What do you want the agent to do? Optional. Zapier, Notion, Google Docs, or any tool you use. Optional. Gumroad or newsletter platforms if you want to monetize. That's it. The best part? You don't need 10K to get started. You just need to start. And once you've built one agent, you'll want to build more because the possibilities are endless. Of course, no tool is perfect. Here are a few things you should watch out for. Some agents need supervision. They might make mistakes. Privacy matters. Don't let your agent send sensitive data. They can't do emotional intelligence yet. Don't expect them to fully replace human touch. You still need to refine and train them. It's not totally plug and play yet. But overall, the value you get from these agents is insane compared to the cost. If you're watching this and thinking, this is cool, but can I really do it? The answer is yes. This is the most beginner-friendly moment in AI history. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need a big budget. You just need an idea and the curiosity to try. Start small. Automate one thing, then another, and before you know it, you'll have a full system working while you sleep. If you want help getting started, I've put together a free Notion starter kit with templates and examples you can use today. The link is in the description. And if you found this video valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe for more, and comment below what business you would automate first with a ChatGPT agent. Let's build smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.